Today is October 13, 2025. The world of finance is on the brink of a major shift. Many banks and governments are now seriously looking at new systems for money. One of the most talked about ideas is the Pi blockchain. This is a digital system. It is designed to record financial transactions securely and efficiently. A powerful conversation is now happening in boardrooms and government halls. It is about a future where all banks will join this single system. They will operate under a shared set of rules. They will also use one globally agreed price for the Pi currency. This essay will explain the plan, the price, and the rules in simple, clear terms. The change will not happen overnight. It is a journey with stages. So, what exactly is the Pi blockchain? Think of it as a special kind of digital record book, a ledger. Traditionally, every bank keeps its own private ledger. The Pi blockchain is different. It is a shared ledger. Many computers hold an identical copy. This shared nature makes it powerful and secure. To change a record, you would need to change thousands of computers at the exact same time. That is nearly impossible. The information is transparent and verifiable by participants. For banks, this shared ledger offers a faster, lower-cost way to send money. Pi was designed to be accessible to everyday people on mobile phones. Banks can tap into that network, offer new services, and build on top of it. In simple terms, a secure, shared, global database for financial transactions, a public utility, like the Internet. Why is it so important for all banks to join the Pi blockchain? The answer lies in network effects. When all join, the network becomes complete. Money can move seamlessly from any bank to any other using Pi rails. Today, intermediaries add steps, time, and fees. With Pi, there are fewer steps. Minutes, not days. Costs can drop to a fraction. Smaller banks gain equal access, fostering competition and financial inclusion. A unified platform simplifies oversight, AML enforcement, and consumer protection. It supports a safer, more stable financial world. A complete network, lower friction, broader access. This is why all banks should join. One of the most critical parts of this plan, the globally agreed price. Every bank everywhere uses the exact same value for Pi when processing transactions. Not random. Determined by a clear, transparent process everyone trusts. A trusted price index aggregates reputable sources. Multiple exchanges feed a single global index for Pi. A weighted method can emphasize higher volume markets. Formula and sources must be public. Transparency builds trust. Without one price, chaos and arbitrage. With one price, fair, predictable trade. From a cafe in Japan to a customer in Brazil to a supplier in Germany, accounting and taxes simplify. Consumers see clear conversions. No hidden rate games. The price is public. You can verify it yourself. For a system of this scale to work, there must be clear rules. A detailed program will guide every bank. It is a collaborative effort among regulators, banks, technology experts, and standards bodies. First, technical standards for secure, reliable connections. Second, a process for setting and updating the global price with defined data sources and formulas. Third, strong security protocols to protect data and prevent unauthorized access. Also, transparency on fees, clear terms, and fair dispute resolution. Strict AML and KYC requirements to deter illicit activity. Regular independent audits and real-time oversight tools for regulators. The program is a living document, updated as technology evolves. Shared agreement makes global cooperation possible. Joining the Pi blockchain will not be like flipping a switch. It is step by step. Leadership studies rules and standards, forms a project team, and trains key staff. Banks connect to a sandbox testnet, run pilots internally and with partners, and validate the price feed. They identify bugs and harden security before any customer impact. Apply for certification. Regulators and independent bodies verify compliance and security. Only certified banks go live, starting small, then expanding steadily. A gradual rollout ensures stability and reliability. Each stage has clear objectives and deliverables, a methodical path that builds capacity and confidence. Opportunities: real-time payments and lower costs, cross-border settlements in minutes, fees down dramatically, direct bottom-line impact. New products and services keep banks innovative and relevant. Transparency improves traceability, risk management, and compliance. Risks: new tech brings vulnerabilities. Security is paramount. Banks must invest in state-of-the-art cybersecurity. Price risk remains. A global price aids stability, but hedging and reserves are needed. Different jurisdictions add operational complexity. Mitigate with phased rollout, insurance buffers, and constant collaboration on threats and best practices. This is about people. Remittances become faster and cheaper. More money reaches families. In unbanked regions, mobile-first Pi access opens the door to financial services. People can receive payments, save, and join the digital economy. Small businesses can accept global digital payments and reach new markets. Programs must include training, technical assistance, and grants, so small banks are not left behind. The goal: participation for everyone, everywhere. Banks must explain simply how it works and be transparent about the global price and fees. Teach safe key and password practices to build confidence. Keep the human element at the center. The goal is to empower people, not confuse them. The idea of all banks joining the Pi blockchain is no longer a distant dream. It is a practical plan. A shared digital ledger, a globally agreed price, and a common set of rules. The result: faster, cheaper, more accessible finance. This must be managed with care. Banks, regulators, and technology experts must work together on security and trust. Roll out gradually, test thoroughly, and prioritize consumer protection. With a slow, steady, collaborative approach, we can manage risks and unlock potential. If you are a bank leader, learn now, form a team, talk with regulators, plan your technical and operational changes. If you are a customer, educate yourself, ask your bank, be curious and cautious. This is a journey we must embark on together. Eyes open to challenges and rewards.